Hello everyone, welcome to Python programming tutorial from rcvacademy.com. In this tutorial I'm going to cover about arithmetic operators in Python. So I've already created a file arithmeticoperators.py in which I have included all the set of arithmetic operators that are provided by Python. So Python supports a full set of arithmetic operators, so we'll cover one by one. So the first operator that we want to cover is addition, then it supports subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder or modulo, then floor division or integer division, exponent, unary positive or unary negative. So let's see all these in action. So what I have done is, in this piece of code, is I have assigned a variable, I have assigned an integer to a variable x and an integer to a variable y, and then I'll be doing some of the arithmetic operators to show you what all is supported. So let's start with the addition operator. So in the z variable I'm adding these two variables x and y, and then printing the z variable, printing the result. So let me save the code, run the code, and it should print the addition of the two integers, which is 14 plus 5, which is 19. Now let's see the subtraction. Now in subtraction it will subtract y from x, so the result will be 14 minus 5, which is 9. The next operator, arithmetic operator, is multiplication. So you can multiply as well, so you just change the operator to multiplication, run the code, and it will return the multiplied value, the result of the multiplication. The next operator is the division operator, in which it will simply divide x by y and return whatever the division value. So it's the float value that has been returned. Next is the remainder. So you can use the modulo operator. Python supports modulo operator as well. So simply use the modulo operator and it will return the remainder after the division. So in this case it will return 4 as the remainder. So you can see the 4 has been returned. Then Python also provides support to floor division, which is integer division. So you can use the double slash to do the floor division, and it will return the integer division value, which is 2, because 15 when 14 is divided by 5, the whole division is so 5 2 times 10, and then it returns the value 2, which is integer division in that case. Python also supports exponent arithmetic operator. So it will, you can simply use 2 stars and it will print the exponent value or the result of the exponent. Then there are also two unary negative and unary positive operators supported by Python, arithmetic operators. So you can use the unary operator. So if I say I'll just add these two numbers, and then you can simply say z is equal to minus z, and when you will print it, print the final value, it will negate that final value. The other thing I want to show you is, if you change it to just say plus z again after the negation, so I'll just remove this one and I'll make it say 2 and this as 5, so it will return a negative value in z. And if I want to say that convert that negative value to positive, let's see what happens. Oops, sorry, I'll subtract it first so that it returns the negative value. And here you can see that when I use the unary positive to convert the final negative value to positive, that doesn't happen. So that means the unary positive operator in Python is just for decoration. It doesn't do anything to the operator. But if you say the negative of the final result, it will actually negate that value and return you the positive value in future. So that's about Python arithmetic operators. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.